Good morning, guys. This is Nainok Media, and we are bringing you live coverage from Mambo Leo, what is happening, and the program that is going to happen for the burial of the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And we are live at Mambo Leo, and as you can see, this is the jail that has carried the remains of the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, and as you can see uh, the program of the army, and they are going to bring out the body of the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And this is the only channel that will give you the live coverage from what is happening in Mambo Leo. So stay tuned for everything that is going to happen from this. This is the only channel, but please kindly just follow, like, share, because this is the home entertainment, media. I am your host, Chris the Dreamer. In case of any view, just comment and like and share with your friends. Stay tuned as we get to the series. Bye bye.
Maneno yako bado yanaishi mioyoni mwa wengi, umewasha moto wa matamuni, tutauendeleza daima. Safari njema Raila Odinga, tulilia machozi ya kweli, demokrasia umeipigania. ODM yahitaji jasiri kama wewe. Safari njema, safari njema. Tulikupenda lakini Mungu amekupenda zaidi. Tulitaka ushinde tena lakini safari imefika. Tutakukumbuka milele, baba wa Toi. Lala salama Raila, mwana wa Afrika. Safari njema